Right, we're going to go through this particular Truma panel here for the heating and hot water side of things. Now at the moment the panel is off. We are now going to switch the panel on. Now generic symbol for off is a circle with a line in it. So we're going to actually power up the panel and we get the Truma panel LCD lit up. Now next to the on-off button we have the thermometer, the power source and the hot water, which is the shower emblem. Now at the moment it is giving us a fault because we're not on gas and we're not on electricity. We're still going to explain the panel to you. We're going to do a heating inside the van. We're going to come to this particular button with the thermometer, push the button. Now that is our thermostat. At the moment it is set to 18 degrees. We can climb and lower it by the two arrows above and below the set button in the middle. Now at the moment we set the thermostat to 16 degrees. We now want to put our power source to it, which is the central button, which is the plug and the flame. Push the button and we're going to get a menu up. Now at the moment we're highlighted on the 4 amp at the top with a small cursory arrow. We can climb up and down the menu again with the corresponding up and down arrows. So at the moment we are set for 4 amp. If we want to put 8 amp into the system and we're on hookup, we can scroll down to the 8 amp, which is there, and we can push the set button and we've now highlighted the 8 amp. Once again it's telling us that we've got a fault because we're not connected to 240 on-site electrics. Go back into menu for say gas, push the button. We're going to scroll down to the gas powered again with the lower arrow, get it highlighted, set the button. Now it's highlighted, it's showing that we're on gas. Well, it's going to give me a red light and a beep in a minute because we haven't got the gas connected. We can go back into the menu and do a combined fuel system, push the middle button. Again, we're on gas, we're going to scroll down. We've now gone on to the 4 amp and gas, which is combined. We can actually bring it down 8 amp and gas by scrolling down, highlighting it and setting it. Now it's come up error code again because you're not hooked up and we're not on gas. Now that is your heating side of things. Obviously the heating is not going to cut in today because the thermostat was only set about 18 or 16 degrees and it's about 37 degrees in here at the moment, so there's no way it's going to cut in. Now the water side, we're going to come down through to the end, which is shower head, push the shower. Now at the moment it says the water is 0 degrees, so the water is off. We now want to put the water on. We're going to scroll down to water at 60 degrees, bring the arrow down with the button and set it. Now we've now got an error code again, as I explained before, no gas, no electricity. Once we are on our power settings, we can go back into the middle button and we can put our power sources. Once again, similar to the heating side, we can pick our power sources. So at the moment we're highlighted over the arrow on the 4 amp. We are there again. We can scroll down to 8 amp, set it, and we can scroll down and say gas only, on gas, gas powered. Again, read the manual. Explains we haven't got any gas or electricity. And then we can combine the fuel again, similar to the heating side, 4 amp gas, 8 amp and gas. Scroll down, arrow on that and set it, or scroll all the way down. The most efficient way, if we're on both fuel, is to go 8 amp and gas. Now, there is a manual included with the van in the caravan pack. There are multiple settings on this particular van for timings and everything else. All we show you is on and off power sources, and let's face it, if you're on heating and it's too hot, we turn the thermostat down. And likewise, we've only got one setting for our hot water, which is 60 degrees. If you find the water's too hot, they're all mixer taps, just add cold water to them. Simple as that.